to show you how to make an origami flapping bird. Just like this. Very simple. What you need is one square of paper and no tape, no glue.
So for making the flapping bird, you just need one square of paper. Before we make this, you can also make it out of a design paper to make it look more pretty. So I'm just going to be using a sheet of origami paper 6 inches. You can use printer paper and cut it in a square. So let's get started. So the first step is start right side up and fold it in half. Give it a nice sharp crease by using your fingernails. Unfold it, rotate it, and fold in half to the other direction. So now we fold in half in both directions. You'll actually see we have kind of like two squares. Now what we want to do is fold one square kind of diagonally, so kind of like it's a triangle like that. And we're going to do the same thing there, but on the other side. And now you see we have a pocket in here. We're going to put your hand in there and push the two ends together so then you get a square. And this, what we have here, is called a pannulary base, otherwise known as a square base. So now what we're going to do is make sure this open part is facing to you. And then fold the triangle just like that. And this point of the triangle is facing to you, that point right there. So now we're going to continue that on the other three. And turn it over and do the same thing. So now what we're going to do is fold this, we have two triangles, fold this smaller triangle down to the other triangle, making sure this point aligns with the middle. Give a really nice crease, this one. Turn it over, unfold these, and we're actually going to do a kind of tricky step. We're going to make a bird base. So what we're going to do, let's just say that we have it like this. So right now we have it like this, right? We're going to unfold these two, right? And what we're going to do now is lift this up while pushing these two down. Think you can do that? Okay. So like I said, we're going to lift this up so as far as it goes. And you can already see it's kind of coming together. You see these creases we have here? You're just going to flatten it down like that. Same here. Unfold that. Unfold these two triangles. And refold this smaller triangle down there. And do the same thing. So fold it up. And flatten on these existing creases. So now what we have is called a bird base. You can make lots of things actually from a bird base. So what we're going to do now is make sure that this point here is up. So that point's actually going to be this point right there. So that means these are going to have to be the head and the tail. So to do that, we're actually going to do a reverse fold. So you see these two things we have here, two lines, fold it up directly on that, and fold it back regularly. One thing you can maybe actually do is just pretend like you're just folding it in half, and fold it back. Okay, now we're actually going to pull these out, but it's going to have to be in a particular way, so I'm going to show you that first. So we have this right now. We're going to fold it out so we make two circles, and then we're going to flatten it, just like that. So it's going to have like that and like that. So yeah, so we're going to pull this out, making sure we have two whole circles. And pull it out as much as you want to taste. and flatten. I like to get my tail down a little bit further than the head. So for the head, the exact same, as much as you want, and flatten. Now we're going to make a head by just folding down just like that, unfolding it, and now what we're going to do is reverse fold. So on this crease, pinch these two and flatten it just like that. And that's your head. And we're going to fold the wings in a little bit weird way. We're not actually going to fold them. We're just going to angle. We're going to put them in an angle, just like this, and do it a few times so it kind of stays like that. You can maybe pinch it a little bit, just a little bit like that. And now you can just try pull the tail a little bit hard, and then it should be able to flap. And to make it stand, you can just fold these. So, hope you can make this easy flapping bird, and hope to see you next time. Bye guys.